Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do this very beautiful simple everyday makeup look which is perfect to be worn with your Indian wear, your kurtis, your suits, and you can definitely wear it on an everyday basis. You can wear it to your office, to your college, and it will look absolutely beautiful on each and every one of you. It is a super simple look and it is perfect for beginners as well, and I've used all drugstore products in the video today. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with today's video. I'm going to start with some color correcting, and for that I'm taking my trusty LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector and I'm just applying a very tiny bit of it on my under eyes and around the mouth, and then with my beauty sponge I'm going to blend it out. For the foundation today, I'm taking my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation and I'm in the shade 128. I'm just taking a tiny bit of it on the back of my hand, then with my finger I'm just applying it on the face, and then using my beauty sponge I'm going to blend it out. It is a really beautiful and a very lightweight foundation. This is one of my absolute favorite foundations at the drugstore and it is a cult classic for a good reason. It is suitable for all skin types. It is not super matte or super dewy and looks absolutely beautiful. It lasts you really nicely throughout the day and it just blends out like a dream and looks beautiful throughout the day. Next, for the concealer, again one of my trusty LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, and I'm just taking it out on the back of my hand, then with my beauty sponge I'm applying it on my under eyes and the center of the face. This also is a cult classic and one of YouTube's favorite concealers and one of my personal favorites at the drugstore. It is such a beautiful concealer. It gives you a nice, almost a fuller coverage, and it does not look cakey or patchy on the skin. It blends out like a dream and looks really beautiful. Less is more with this product, so just make sure that you apply a very light amount of it, because if you do apply a lot of it, it might crease on you. Next, to set the concealer, again one of my absolute favorites. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus pressed powder, and with a fluffy powder brush I'm applying it on the areas where I applied the concealer, that is on the under eyes and the center of the face, because I do not want my concealer to move throughout the day and it is super hot here. You step out of the room and your makeup just melts if you do not set it. So I'm just setting it with a very light amount of powder, and this powder is absolutely beautiful. It is such a lightweight powder and one of my absolute favorites at the drugstore. Now for the eyes, I'm taking my Colourpop Cosmetics Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Summer Side. These eyeshadows are not available in India yet, so you can basically take any warm toned eyeshadow. You just need a warm toned eyeshadow and just run it all over your eyelids. You can even put your bronzer for that matter, because you do not really want anything on your eyelid, but just to add some color and some definition, I wanted to add a really nice warm toned eyeshadow. So I'm just taking it on a fluffy blending brush and I'm applying it all over the eyelids up to the crease. And I wanted to do a bold kajal and eyeliner look, so I'm taking my L'Oreal Paris Kajal Magic Bold and I'm using it to apply along with my upper lash line. I'm applying a relatively thicker coat of this along with the upper lashes, and I'm also going to wing it out at the outer edge. I'm also using it to line along with my lower waterline. And then I went ahead and did the same on my other eye of the camera. And then taking an angled eyeliner brush, I'm going to very lightly smudge out the harsh edges of the eyeliner and to smoke it out a little bit. Next, I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows of the camera. And then for the mascara, I'm taking my Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. This is a beautiful mascara. It adds so much length and volume to your eyelashes. It makes them look so dramatic and really fluttery and open and it really separates your eyelashes as well. It does not make them look clumpy or like a spider's web, and it really adds that extra oomph to your eyelashes and makes your eyes look really wide and open. Next, for the bronzer, I'm taking my L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze bronzer, and I'm applying it along with the hollows of the cheeks, the temples of the forehead, along the jawline, on the sides of the nose, to add that really nice and a very natural looking warmth to your face. It is not a super dark or a super pigmented bronzer, and it adds just the right amount of warmth and definition to your face and looks absolutely beautiful. This is one of my absolute favorites at the drugstore, and it is a super beautiful bronzer. Next, for the blush, I'm taking one of my favorites. This is a Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. I just mentioned it in my top 10 blushes for Indian skin tones video, which I link up on the screen. And yes, this is the makeup that I was wearing in that video. It is a beautiful everyday kind of a blush. It is a very nice peachy nude shade, and it suits all Indian skin tones, and the formula on this blush also is absolutely stunning. Next, for the highlighter, I'm taking my e.l.f. Cosmetics HD Shimmer highlighter in the shade Sunset Glow, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. It is such a beautiful and not a very intense, but quite an intense highlighter to give you that beautiful glowing from within kind of a glow. It's a really beautiful champagne golden shade, and it really highlights all the points you apply it to. I'm also going to take it along with the brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes and the cupid's bow. And lastly, for the lips, I'm taking my Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Hue. It is a beautiful nude pink shade, and it is a very nice formula. It is super lightweight on the lips. It does not dry out your lips or sucks the life out of your lips, and lasts really beautifully for around 7 to 8 hours even after you eat or drink. And it is a very beautiful shade. It would suit almost all Indian skin tones, and I really loved this formula of lipsticks. I'm finishing off the look with the plain black bindi. And well, that's it for today's video, you guys. This is the final finished look. It is such a nice and a super flattering makeup look, and you can definitely pair it with any kind of an Indian outfit, whether it be suits or saris or kurtis, and it would look absolutely stunning on each and every one of you. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them for you guys. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.